Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today in beautiful Junction City, Oregon at Guarantee RV to present to you this 2020 Bay Star 3401 by Newmar. Great coach, solid, high quality. Let's look at it inside. Coming into the coach, 34 feet of pure pleasure. It features the front booth, the front kitchen, the center living area. This is a great coach. Look at the color palette in here. It's extremely nice. Newmar quality. You're coming over here, you got the kitchen, you got a dual stainless steel square or rectangular sink, if you will, and that Moen faucet. Got the beautiful cupboards by Newmar with the nice hinging right there. You're going to have a convection microwave right here by Whirlpool, and you're going to have a Dometic stovetop right there, 3-burner stove in the stainless steel finish. Coming back here, look at this Norcold refrigerator. It's 4 doors and just a lot of room in that fridge. Don't have to go far when you're sitting in this couch with the nice little ottomans that hold stuff inside. And you're sitting here, TV directly across from you, a little fireplace for ambience and for heat, I might add. This is extremely nice floor plan in these motorhomes. Now coming back here, you're going to have the bathroom all hidden back in here, but a lot of room, nice corner shower, good lighting in there. And you're going to have on this side, let me put this down, a full-length wardrobe right there, and here is a little space for food and stuff for your kitchen. Went right by that, sorry. But coming back here, we have the king bed. We have the headboard with 2 windows on the side for ventilation. Nice window in the back for viewing. Wardrobe back here. You can either leave those shelves in or take them out. They are adjustable, and you can hang clothing right there. Bank of drawers underneath. TV right there. Full wall slide really opens this up, so it's nice. This is a full 72 by 80 bed, full king bed. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer in the cockpit. So coming up here in the cockpit, you're on a Ford chassis, F53 chassis, 320 horsepower. You got the cruise control at the touch of a button right here. You have your levelers over here to the left, extremely nice. Overhead fans, generator start, your battery boost, your auxiliary heater, all right there. You have your backup camera, your navigation, side cameras, everything you could want on this. Is a 22.5 tires on this, so you got a better ride in this. The TV up top, you got the cupboards with some storage, nice flex steel seating. You have the little, and I really like this for the co-pilot. They can be here with a computer working right here if they need to, or just for a little TV tray. It's pretty nice. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer outside. This coach will feature Newmar's famous full body paint job. It's extremely beautiful, extremely durable. You do have the awning up above. That's an automatic awning. You have an outside TV on this coach. The doors open to the side, so it gives you extremely good storage. Just goes up and over to the other side, so you can get some long things in there as well. It's just very nice. And watch, I can slam this door and it's just so durable. There's a water tank right there with a little bit of storage tucked in on each side of it. Right here you got some storage. You can see your gray tank in there. Really nice. Right here you're going to have a 5,500 watt Onan generator, and then of course you got more storage, but right here is a kind of a neat bay, how it goes up and over to the other side. So if you got skis or anything like that, so it's extremely long. It's a very nice feature. It does cut up away from the regular depth of the chassis to give you a little bit more in case you go down on a little incline. Right here you do have the ladder accessing the top. You have your tow receptacle, your backup camera, your full wall slide right there, and you can see it does have the frameless windows on it. Extremely nice. I don't know that we have enough room to go out between there, so let's go back up front. But look at the beauty of that paint job right there in the sun beating on it. It's very nice, and this has R19 insulation in this coach, and so if you're in Arizona on the hot days, perfect for there. If you're in Montana on a cold day, perfect. If this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have on our lot, please give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.